Welcome everyone. This is Gajanan Huge, lecturer in mathematics, GP Murtijapur. Today we are discussing about the topic probability. First of all, let us see the learning outcomes of this topic. After this video, student will be understand the concept of probability. Second, defines sample space, event, experiments. Third, student can draw Venn diagram of the verbal form. Now let us introduce the probability. Now what is probability? Most people use terms such as chance, likelihood, or probability to reflect the level of uncertainty about some issue or events. For example, in which these terms may be used are as follows. First example, as you watch the new news every day, you hear forecast saying that there is a 70% chance of rain tomorrow. Another example, as you plan the enter a new business, an expert in the field tells you that the probability of making a first year profit in this business is only zero point 0.4, or there is 40% chance that you can make a profit. Third example, as you take a new course, you may be wondering about the likelihood of passing or failing the course. All these examples are the examples of probability, that is of chance or likelihood. Now let us discuss what is exactly the probability is. Probability is a numerical index of likelihood that a certain event will occur. It is a value between 0 and 1 which reveals the relative possibility that an event will occur. A probability of 0 or close to 0 implies that an event is very improbable to occur, and a probability of 1 or close to 1 gives us higher assurance that an event will occur. Between these two extremes, different values of probability are expressed as decimal, such as 0. 0.2, 0.9, or 0.5, or in fraction 1 by 5, 9 by 10, or 1 by 2. Note that both ways of expression can easily be expressed in percent, that is 20%, 90%, or 50%. Now let us discuss about some examples. What is the probability that Thanksgiving Day will come on a Wednesday? Or the same example can be asked as, what is the probability that Thanksgiving Day will come on Thursday? Now you can pause and try to find the number or try to find the probability. Now let us discuss about some terms which are required to find probability in a mathematical way. First, we have to discuss about experiment. What is experiment? A pre-planned process for the sake of producing data that can reveal the purpose of process, application, or meet the objectives of the study in which the experiment is conducted. In the context of probability, when the term experiment is used, it typically indicates a process that can result in only one of several possible outcomes. Now, second term that we have to define is outcome. An outcome is nothing but it is the result of single trial of an experiment. Now we will define event. Event is a collection of one or more outcomes of an experiment. And lastly, we will define sample space. All possible outcomes that taken represents sorry all possible outcomes taken together represent the sample space for the experiment. It means that if an experiment is done, then the all possible outcomes, the set of all possible outcomes is known as sample space. Let us see one example which defines the above terminologies. Now suppose that a rolling six-sided die is our experiment. Okay, we'll do a experiment, that is rolling a six-sided die. Now what is here experiment, outcome, event and sample space that we will discuss here. Rolling a six-sided die is our experiment. The numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the outcomes. Specifying a certain number such as odd, even will be the event. The sample space for experiment is S, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now try yourself for the second example, that in process of rolling a pair of fair dice, what is here experiment, what is the outcome, event and sample space. Try to write experiment, outcome, event and sample space of the process of rolling a fair die. Now we will discuss some experiment, their outcomes, their events and sample space in a chart. Suppose that in first column we will define the experiments, second column is for outcomes, third one is event and fourth one is for sample space. Let us consider that rolling a die once, we have the outcomes 1 to 6. We can define an event of odd number and our sample space is S equal to 1 to 6. Now taking a test, outcome may be A, B, C, D or F. We can define a event passing the test, and here the sample space is S equal to A, B, C, D, F. Now third example, selecting an age. Outcome is old, middle or young. Event, getting older. Sample space, old, middle, young. Next example, birth. Outcome is male or female. Event, gender choice. Sample space, male, female. And last one, tossing a coin. Outcome are head, 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 tail, tail, head or tail, tail. Event, two head and sample space is S equal to HH, HT, TH, TT. Now let us discuss about Venn diagram. Venn diagram is a picture representing event as circles enclosed in rectangle. The rectangle represents the sample space and each circle represents an event. Now this is, see, in front of you there is a picture of Venn diagram, that is, if a coin is tossed, then it has head or tail. All the possible outcomes are given in a rectangle. Such diagram is known as Venn diagram. And see the figure B. An experiment is done and the outcomes are head or tail and they are shown in arrowwise. This is known as tree diagram. So this is about the introduction of probability, some terminologies like sample space, event, experiment, and Venn diagram. So thank you for watching. Thank you once again.